Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up your shop on Instagram. Step 1. Make sure that your Instagram is switched to a business or creator account. Go to your settings account and then switch to professional account. Step 2. Link your Instagram to your Facebook business page. This is important because Instagram shops work through Meta Commerce Manager. Step 3. On your Facebook business page, head over to the Meta Business Suite and then go to Commerce Manager and then set up your shop. Choose your checkout method, either on your website, directly on Instagram, or via Messenger. Step 4. Add your product catalog, using either the manual method or by connecting your e-commerce site like Shopify or BigCommerce. Step 5. Go back to your Instagram and then open your settings, and then business, and then shopping. And then select the catalog that you just created. Step 6. Submit your shop for review. Instagram usually takes a few days to approve, and once approved, you can now tag products in posts, reels, and stories. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.